going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. So some of you may have noticed as I was reversing into my driveway that my driver's side reverse light bulb behind me here is out. Only my passenger side reverse light bulb is working. So in this video I'm going to go ahead and take the opportunity to replace my stock halogen reverse light bulbs with some LED reverse light bulbs. Now this is something I've actually been wanting to do for the longest time since I first bought this car, but I just kind of forgot about it because I started focusing on doing, the bigger mods, not really any of the lighting LED changes. But now that this reverse light bulb is out, I'm going to go ahead and finally take the opportunity to replace them. So here are the LED bulbs that I'm going to be installing and replacing the regular halogen bulbs. For the reverse lights, I got these on Amazon for only like $12, so they are super cheap, nothing too crazy at all. And then next to that I have a couple tools, one pry tool and then a T20 Torx screwdriver. So to get to the reverse light bulbs, they're going to be behind inside this piece. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this piece by unlocking these little plastic pieces here. So there's 4 at the top up there and then 2 on the bottom there. And then also I'm going to have to remove these 2 black pieces. These are the ones that are held on by the T20 Torx screws, you can see there. So once I remove all that, this piece should just kind of hang down, but it'll still be holding on to this, so it won't just come completely off, but it'll just hang, and then we'll have enough room to get access to the reverse light bulbs. So to remove these gray plastic pieces, I'm going to go ahead and use that tool I showed earlier. It's like a little pry tool that wraps around from the bottom there, and then just push it upward, then just pry out, and then it should just come right out like that. Super easy. You could also use a flathead, but I mean, I'd say this tool is a little bit easier and quicker. So yeah. So as you guys can see, it's hanging now, and just real quickly, once you get all the plastic pieces out and the 2 screws, it's kind of holding on by this piece, and that kind of hooks on inside there. So you're gonna have to just press it back and then down, and then it should unclip on both sides. But anyway, so now we have access to the reverse light bulb, which is this electrical assembly here. The assembly that we need to remove is hooked on by this little piece right here, so you just need to pry it out of the way and then just kind of pull downward, and then this will happen. And now we have our reverse light at the top and then our other brake light on the bottom there. So I got the LED bulb installed on this side, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side real quick. So I have both LED bulbs installed on both sides, as you can see here. Now, before I put all of this stuff back together, I'm gonna go ahead and put the car in reverse and just check to make sure that both of these are working properly. So as you guys can see, this side is working. We'll check the other side. And this side is also working, so that is awesome. They appear to be functioning and just in general, working. Because I know sometimes when you buy LED bulbs off Amazon, sometimes they don't even work. But these appear to be working just fine. Alright, so now that I confirmed that both bulbs work, I'm going to go ahead and reinstall everything and then get the final look of how these LED bulbs look when you put the car in reverse. So here is how the LED bulbs look during the day. It is bright out right now, so they're not, you know, super bright, but they are definitely brighter than the halogen bulbs I just removed, and they both work still, as you can see, so that's awesome. So yeah, just in general, I think these LED bulbs give the car a more modern, updated look, since a lot of the newer cars have LED reverse light bulbs. The halogen bulbs are kind of just out of date at this point, so these definitely give a very, you know, slight updated look whenever you put the car in reverse. Whenever you are in reverse and backing into a parking spot, a garage, or whatever, you'll have these nice bright LED reverse lights. So that pretty much completes the install of these LED reverse lights. As you guys saw, they work and they look really good. They give the car a more modern, updated look. But I know it's nothing crazy. It is still very small and a very subtle change in detail on the car. You're probably not even going to notice it most of the time unless you're like reversing at night. But it is still a cool, easy thing to change on the car if you are interested. Another thing with these LED bulbs, since the car has a voltage check that it does as soon as you start up the car, it checks all of the bulbs to make sure they're all working. Since these are LED, they might flicker when the car does that at startup, and I believe I actually caught it on camera when I looked back on the footage when I first started up the car with the LED reverse lights installed and I put it in reverse. They kind of flickered before it actually lit up. So to get rid of that, you can easily just code that out on Beamer code. You can just simply turn off the voltage check and it won't do that anymore. And you could do that for any of the bulbs that you replace with LED bulbs, so it doesn't do that. So I think that is going to do it for this video, you guys. If you guys have any questions that I may have missed or something I didn't answer, feel free to drop those in the comments. As always, I'll provide links to the LED bulbs that I used in this video, along with a couple of tools that I used also, if you guys want to check those out. But thanks for joining me again in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, feel free to check out my website at inline6auto.com if you guys are looking for mods for your BMW E93 series or F33 series. Feel free to check out my website. I'll leave a link to that also in the description. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.